Okay, this is a 1987 Cajun bass boat. It's got a 1995 70 horse Johnson engine on it. So the boat's an 87, but the engine is a 95. It's got a live well here in the back. Could be used as a cooler as well. And then the gas tank, and it's got two batteries, if you can see there. One for the trolling motor and one for the engine. Got a galvanized trailer. See the cockpit here. It's got a depth finder, Eagle, which works. We can show it to you. Just sitting here on land, it's not going to show a depth, but anyway. Okay. It's got a radio over here as well. And a couple of fishing seats, one full-size seat here in the back, and then just a small, like you'd want for bass fishing, just lean against seat in the front where you can control the trolling motor. And the radio's right here. And here's the stereo. I've got a little switch here to turn it on. And you can see it's AM, FM, radio, CD, and then it's got a spot where you can plug in an aux cord. So if you want to do iPod or whatever, you can plug it in. Couple working speakers, anyways, here in the back. And then it's got a pretty new Minn Kota 55 pounds of thrust trolling motor, and this. Okay, here's the Minn Kota controller. So you press this button to make it go, and you push right and left with your foot, obviously, and that controls. It turns the trolling motor's motor turned, and then drives it, obviously. It's got a compartment here underneath the front seat. It's big enough. I've got 5 fishing poles in there now and quite a bit of tackle. And then I had skis in there just a second ago. I pulled those out, so you can put skis in it or fishing poles or whatever. You can see the fishing poles they go up underneath, so they're out of the way. And I've got new tags to put on it that'll be good through 2015. And these seats, you can switch these seats upside down if you don't want to, and it's got carpet you can see there on the back. So if you want to, you could have just the carpet. It's easier to walk on, I guess, a harder surface if you're not wanting to sit on it. And I think that's everything.